Namaste. Welcome to all of you. This is the third lecture of the chapter Chemical Kinetics, and in this we'll discuss about factors affecting the rates of chemical reaction or factors influencing rates of chemical reaction. Here we'll discuss 6 main factors. Let's start with the first factor, nature of reactants. So that rate of chemical reaction depends upon the nature of reactants or depend upon the nature of bonding in the reactants. Actually क्या होता है, the ionic compounds react faster than the covalent compounds. Why is it so? Because in case of ionic compounds there is only exchange of ions between the ionic compound in their aqueous solution, and it occurs very fast in water in the aqueous solution. For example, we have precipitation of silver chloride. When we add aqueous solution of silver nitrate into the aqueous solution of sodium chloride, so in this case there is only mutual exchange of ions between these two ionic compounds by the double displacement reaction, and it occurs very fast within fraction of seconds. Whereas the reactions between the covalent compounds, they take place slowly. Why the covalent compounds they react slowly? Because they require energy for the cleavage of the existing bonds between the reactant molecules. For example, we have esterification reaction, formation of esters from acetic acid and ethanol. It requires energy for what? To break the bonds between the existing molecules of acetic acid and ethanol. It requires energy. Okay, so that's about the nature of reactants. और एक बात और नोट करना, that if the reactants are in the gaseous state, then they react faster than the reactants which are in the liquid or in the solid state. Why is it so? Because the gaseous molecules collide very fast with very high speed, and therefore the effective collisions are more in case of gaseous reactants. ठीक है, तो ये भी हम नेचर ऑफ रिएक्टेंट्स में बता सकते हैं. एक बात और, if the reactants are stable, for example we have noble gases, we know that the noble gases are very stable. They only react with the highly electronegative elements like oxygen and fluorine, and that's also at extreme temperature and pressure. So in this case, rate of reaction is very slow because the reactants are quite stable. So therefore, the rate of reaction is inversely proportional to the stability of reactants. तो ये भी हम यहाँ पे बता सकते हैं. So that's about the first factor, nature of reactants which affect the rates of chemical reaction. तो अपनी कॉपी पेन निकाल लो अभी. Start making the notes. Now we'll discuss the second factor, that is temperature of system. That how temperature affect the rate of chemical reaction. Yes, now the effect of temperature on the rate of chemical reaction. So with the increase in the absolute temperature, the average kinetic energy of the molecules increases. उससे क्या होगा? Then the number of molecules with the energy greater than threshold energy also increases. Now what is the threshold energy? The minimum amount of energy required by the reactant molecules to form products. That is called threshold energy. So that will also increase with the increase in temperature, with the increase in the average kinetic energy of the molecules. So as a result, the number of effective collisions between the reactants also increases. Now what is this effective collisions? The collisions which are responsible for the formation of activated complex, which will form products. That is called effective collision. So the number of effective collisions between the reactant molecules also increases with the increase in temperature, with the increase in kinetic energy of the molecules. Therefore, it is observed that the rate of reaction increases with the increase in temperature, whether it is exothermic or endothermic. It is observed that the rate of reaction increases with the increase in temperature. And the reaction rate for most of the chemical reactions, not almost all the reactions, but most of the chemical reactions, the rate becomes double for every 10 degree rise in temperature. So for every 10 degree rise in temperature, the rate of reaction becomes double. Now why is it so? We will see later on when we study about Arrhenius equation and the effect of temperature on the rate of reaction in detail later on in this chapter. So that's about the temperature, effect of temperature on the rate of chemical reaction. Now we'll study about surface area. Surface area, how surface area will affect the rate of chemical reaction. Yes, now surface area. So the rate of reaction also increases with the increase in surface area of the solid reactant if they are used. And how can we increase the surface area of the reactant? By grinding it to the fine powdered form. Example ले रहे हैं, देखिए, the reaction between zinc and hydrochloric acid to evolve the gas hydrogen, it occurs within second. कब होगा ये? When the zinc metal is in the fine powdered form. And the same reaction occurs slowly when zinc wire is used, because in case of fine powder form, the surface area of the reactant increases. And the same concept is true in case of solid catalyst. That is, the solid catalysts are employed in the fine powder form to increase the rate of chemical reaction. For example, the finely powdered nickel is used for the hydrogenation of oil to form vanaspati ghee. So that's about the factor surface area which affect the rate of chemical reaction. Now we'll discuss about catalyst, how catalyst affect the rate of chemical reaction. Yes, now the effect of catalyst on the rate of chemical reaction. First of all, let's define what is catalyst. A catalyst is a substance which alters क्या होता है बेटे? Change करना, हाँ? Which alters the rate of chemical reaction. How? Without being consumed in the reaction or without undergoing any chemical change in the reaction. That is called catalyst. And we have learned earlier in the chapter of surface chemistry that catalysts are of two types, positive catalyst and negative catalyst. And a positive catalyst increases the rate of chemical reaction. How? By providing a new path. By providing a new path with the lower activation energy of the reaction. So in this case, reactants get converted to form product following a particular path with a particular activation energy. Now when we use catalyst, it will provide a new path with a lower activation energy. And that's how it will increase the rate of chemical reaction. Positive catalyst increase the rate of chemical reaction. कैसे किया बेटे ये? By providing a new path, with the lower activation energy of the reaction. That's the role of catalyst, and that the effect of catalyst on the rate of chemical reaction. Now we'll discuss about the effect of intensity of light. Intensity of light on the rate of chemical reaction. Yes, now the intensity of light, and we will talk about this point when we are talking about photochemical reactions. Now what are photochemical reactions? Which occur in the presence of light. So the rate of photochemical reactions which occur in the presence of light increases. How? With the increase in the intensity, brightness, intensity of suitable light. और ये कैसे हो रहा है ये? With the increase in the intensity of light, the number of photons of light increases, and hence we can say that the number of reactant molecules get more energy by absorbing more number of photons and undergo chemical change. That's how intensity of light affect the rate of chemical reactions. Example ले रहे हैं, the rate of photosynthesis increases with the increase in the intensity of sunlight. That means in the brighter days. So that's about the point, intensity of light and how it affects the rate of chemical reaction. Now we'll discuss about the last factor, that is concentration of the reactants, that how the concentration of reactants affect the rate of chemical reactions. Yes, lastly, concentration of reactants, that how concentration of reactants affect rate of chemical reaction. So let's learn about it. The rate of chemical reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of reactants. If the concentration of reactants is large, the rate of reaction is also large, and as the concentration of reactants decreases, the rate of reaction also decreases. And we will learn thoroughly how the concentration of reactants affect the rate of chemical reaction with the help of rate law. That we'll discuss in the next lecture thoroughly. So in this lecture, what we discussed, the factors affecting the rate of chemical reaction. Factors such as nature of reactants, temperature, catalyst, surface area, intensity of light, and concentration of reactants. So that's about this lecture based upon factors affecting the rate of chemical reaction. In the next lecture, we will start with rate law. See you all in the next lecture. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू और आप सबको मेरा नमस्ते.